Are you thinking about selling your home in the Philly area but not sure which renovations will actually put money back in your pocket? Some upgrades can boost the sale price by thousands, while others are a complete waste. Today, I'm going to break down the top 5 renovations that will add real value to your home when you're selling in Philadelphia, so let's jump right into it. When a buyer walks into your home, there's one room that immediately sets the tone for the rest of the house. And if it feels outdated, they are already mentally lowering their offer price. Whether they love to cook or just want a modern space to gather, buyers expect kitchens to feel bright, functional, and move-in ready. It doesn't matter if the home is large or small, buyers notice dated cabinets, worn countertops, and poor layout instantly. And if they are seeing a project instead of a place that they can enjoy right away, they're either going to offer low or move on to the next listing. But not all kitchen upgrades pay off the same. So you have to know where to invest and where to hold back. And that makes all of the difference. And here's the good thing. You don't need to tear the whole kitchen apart to impress buyers and boost your value. Minor remodels consistently deliver some of the highest returns in the Philly area, especially when you focus on updates that are highly visible. So swapping out old countertops for quartz or granite, upgrading cabinet hardware, or even just refinishing the cabinets in a clean and modern color can completely change how your kitchen feels. Under cabinet lighting too, a fresh backsplash or updated fixtures add polish without blowing the budget. And here is the key to creating a space that feels modern, cohesive, and ready to enjoy from day one without over-improving the entire neighborhood. In older homes, removing a non-structured wall to open up the kitchen can make the whole house feel larger, even if you don't actually add any square footage. But in most cases, it's the simple, smart updates that make the biggest difference. Buyers are looking for a kitchen that feels clean, it feels stylish, and it's functional, not just a luxury showroom. So going overboard with high-end finishes that no one asked for can actually hurt your bottom line, especially if it prices you out of the local market. It's all about making buyers feel excited when they step into the kitchen, like they can see themselves cooking there, entertaining there, and living there comfortably. And once they love the kitchen, there's another space that can instantly lock in their interest or completely kill the deal. So if you are in that selling process and you need a great agent who knows the market and you want to work with me, all you gotta do is click the link in the description and schedule a time with me. After the kitchen, this one room is the most emotionally charged space for buyers. They don't just want to see them, they want to feel comfortable in them. A clean, updated bathroom signals that the home has been well cared for, while a dated and neglected one immediately raises questions about hidden issues behind the wall. So buyers today expect neutral colors, modern finishes, and functional layouts, regardless of whether the home is older or newer. So a bathroom doesn't have to be fancy to impress buyers, but it does need to feel fresh, clean, and move-in ready. If your bathroom still has pink tile, outdated fixtures, or poor lighting, it's giving buyers a reason to hesitate, even if the rest of the home is absolutely beautiful. The best returns on bathroom updates come from mid-range remodels, where you replace outdated features without gutting the entire space. Updating the vanity, swapping out old tubs for a modern shower, and replacing worn tiles or flooring instantly lifts the whole entire room. Frameless glass showers, modern light fixtures, and fresh paint can make bathrooms feel clean and current, which is exactly what buyers want. Even simple fixes like new faucets, updated mirrors, and additional storage can make a huge difference without requiring a major demolition. The goal is to create a bathroom that feels modern enough to impress, but still neutral enough for buyers to imagine adding their own personal touches, and that is the key. And if you have an older home, especially in the suburbs, buyers are often bracing for plumbing surprises. So showing them that the bathrooms have been updated and well maintained builds confidence in the entire house, and that is what you're going for. If your home only has one bathroom, finding ways to maximize storage and functionality becomes even more important. And in homes with primary suites, buyers are looking for a bit of luxury, but they still value practicality over high-end finishes. No matter the size, buyers want bathrooms to feel fresh, functional, and worry-free, and that is the big one. After they check the kitchens and the bathrooms off their list, the very next thing they notice happens before they even step inside, and it's one of the easiest places to add value. So before buyers even get to your kitchen or your bathrooms, they've already formed an opinion about your home, and most sellers underestimate just how much the first impression matters. The moment they pull up, they're scanning for signs that tell them whether the home has been cared for, updated, or neglected. Buyers aren't always aware that they're doing it. It's very psychological, but everything from the walkway to the front door color to the landscaping feeds into how they feel about the home overall. A clean, welcoming exterior doesn't just make buyers curious to see more, it gives them confidence that the rest of the home is worth their time. And in a competitive market, especially, the first impression can mean the difference between getting a showing or getting skipped. The beauty of this upgrade is that it doesn't have to cost a fortune to get results. Some of the highest return projects are also the simplest. A new door, fresh landscaping, and a clean walkway can dramatically change the way that your home presents in photos online and in person. In older homes, power washing brick, touching up exterior paint, or replacing worn shutters instantly signals pride of ownership. Even something as small as modern house numbers, fresh mulch, and a well-placed outdoor lighting can make your home feel more polished and welcoming. Buyers aren't expecting perfection, and please understand this. They're looking for a home that just feels inviting and well cared for before they even open the door. What's tricky is that not every curb appeal update delivers the same value, and some can actually work against you. If you feel that they are too personal, they will feel that it's too personal, or it could be out of place for the entire neighborhood. The goal isn't to create the most eye-catching house on the block, but to create a home that feels approachable, maintained, and move-in ready. It's about making buyers want to come inside, not making them wonder, how much work is it going to cost me to fix everything on this exterior? And once they step through that front door, there's another upgrade inside your home that can instantly boost your square footage and your sale price without even adding a single square foot. There's one thing buyers in both Philly and the suburbs are always paying attention to, and it's not something you'll see on the square footage line of your listing. It's how well your home uses the space that it already has, and whether buyers can picture themselves actually living there without feeling cramped or limited. It's not always about bigger homes getting better offers. It's about how functional and flexible your space feels. If your home has rooms that feel awkward or underused or unfinished, buyers aren't just seeing a layout issue, they're seeing future projects and added expenses. And the homes that stand out, especially in today's market, are the ones that where every square footage works. The smartest sellers aren't adding full-scale additions. They're unlocking space they already have and making sure that it serves a clear purpose. So unfinished basements, awkward nooks, and even unused attic space can all become valuable functional living areas with some strategic updates. A bright, clean, finished basement adds immediate appeal, especially when it can double as a media room, an office, or a guest space. Even a small attic can become a cozy office, a reading nook, or an organized storage area, which adds more perceived value than you think. The key is showing buyers how the space works for them, not leaving them to figure it out on their own. Buyers today, they expect homes to work the way that they actually live, with flex spaces that they can adapt to over time. A house with an unfinished basement or storage space buyers can envision using instantly feels smaller, even if the official square footage says otherwise. So think smart, simple updates like better lighting, modern flooring, and clean paint can turn even a basic basement into something buyers see as bonus space instead of wasted space. And you want to know what the best part is? You don't have to physically add square footage to make your home feel bigger. And that's before we even talk about the upgrades buyers can't always see, but definitely care about once they're inside. There is a whole category of upgrades that buyers can't always see during a showing, but they're absolutely going to ask about it once they are serious. Energy efficiency isn't just a trendy buzzword anymore. I promise you, it's something buyers in both the city and the suburbs actively care about because it directly affects their future costs. So high heating bills, drafty rooms, and outdated systems are all major red flags, even if the home looks beautiful on the surface. Smart sellers understand that upgrading behind the scenes systems don't just save money while they live there, it also makes the home easier to sell when the time comes. But the key is knowing which energy efficient upgrades actually appeal to buyers and which ones just sound good on paper. Windows and HVAC systems are two of the biggest areas buyers pay attention to, especially in older homes where drafts and uneven temperatures are common, like the home that I live in. Replacing old single pane windows with modern Energy Star rated options immediately lowers heating and cooling costs and makes the home feel more comfortable year round. An updated high efficiency furnace, heat pump, or central air system does the same, plus it signals to buyers that they won't need to budget for a major system replacement right after moving in. Even smaller updates like adding smart thermostats, improving insulation, and sealing air leaks shows buyers that the home is well maintained and future-proof. In most cases, buyers value visible, practical upgrades they can immediately understand. Things like new windows, updated systems, and the smart home tech that they control from their phones. And when your home feels modern, efficient, and well cared for, buyers are far more comfortable making a strong offer. But just like there are smart updates that add value, there's also a long list of renovations that are a total waste of money, and knowing what to avoid can help you save thousands. Not every upgrade adds value, and some projects actually make your home harder to sell if you're not careful. One of the biggest mistakes sellers make is spending too much on highly personalized updates that only appeal to a tiny slice of buyers. Think bold accent walls and custom tile patterns, or high-end chef kitchens in starter homes. These projects might match your taste, but they narrow your buyer pool and rarely deliver a strong return. Buyers in today's market want move-in ready homes, but that doesn't mean luxury at every single turn. They just want clean, functional, and easy to personalize spaces. If your home upgrades feel like something out of a design magazine or Pinterest instead of a home buyers can picture themselves living in, you're making them work too hard to see the potential. And this happens a lot in the Philly suburbs, where sellers update their homes like they're competing with new construction. And the reality is, buyers are looking for quality updates, and they fit into their price range. This last one is something that needs to be said, and it's pools and the elaborate outdoor kitchens. They tend to backfire when it becomes time to spell, especially in our market. Pools can be a nice perk for some buyers, but many see them as a liability and a maintenance headache, especially in our climate where you can only use them like 5 months out of the year. Converting a garage space into a living space might work if you're staying long term, but most buyers want that garage for storage and parking, especially in the suburbs. And while DIY projects can save you money up front, those sloppy finishes and your uneven floors or poorly installed cabinets, they are red flags during showings. So if you're looking to sell your house in the Philly area and you want to work with a great agent who knows this area like the back of their hand, just click that link below and schedule an appointment with me. Look forward to speaking with you soon. Have a great day.